Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in HubSpot. This feature allows you to automatically insert recipient-specific information like their name or company directly into your subject lines, making your emails feel more personal and increasing open rates. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu of your screen, hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketing. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Email. This takes you to the email management area where you can create, edit, and manage all your email campaigns. On the email settings page, you'll see a list of all your existing emails. Look for the specific email where you want to add subject line personalization. Once you've located it, hover your cursor over that email and click Edit. This opens up the email editor where you can modify various elements of your campaign. Now look at the top part of your screen within the email editor. You'll see several tabs or options available. Click on the one named Inbox. This section controls how your email appears in recipients' inboxes, including the subject line, preview text, and sender information. Under the subject line field, you'll notice a button labeled Personalize. Click on this button to insert a personalization token. A dialog box will appear asking you to select the type of personalization you want to use, such as contact property or company property. Choose your token type, then select the specific token you want to insert, like first name or company name. After entering these two fields, another field will appear asking for a fallback value. This is what will display if the personalization data isn't available for a particular contact. Enter your fallback value and click Insert. Once you've added your personalization token, review your subject line to ensure it reads naturally. When you're satisfied with everything, click Save or Review and Send to finalize your email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.